heart is better than a shrug. Be kind every day in all you do and say. Help at home, don't delay. Be the sunshine every day. With a please and thank you, you're on your way to grow up strong and kind every day.
Grandma's stories, grandpa's cheer. Sit and listen when they're near. Help them walk, give them your hand. Show them love, they're truly grand. Help your parents take the broom. Set the table, clean your room. Fold your clothes, water the plants. Every little help gives joy a chance. Be a good friend, share your toys. Play with kindness, make some noise. Take turns, don't shout, don't push or fight. Say I'm sorry when you're not right. Play fair and cheer, win or lose. Respect the rules and never refuse. Clap for others, give high fives. That's how friendship truly thrives. Be kind every day in all you do and say. Help at home, don't delay. Be the sunshine every day. With a sorry or a smile, you're on your way to grow up wise and kind every day. No, greet with love, not just with words. Let kindness fly like happy birds. Respect, care, air, and helping hands make you shine across all lands. Oh, be kind every day in every little way. Big or small, stand tall.